Now the engineer has identified where are the deviations made in this case. So he has to perform a preventive maintenance activity or the PMS activity at this S2 to correct and make this S2 a perfect one. So you need to first loop the cable and keep the cable in the space provided. You should have to put the cable in the drop cable holder, and you should have to apply the sealant gel and seal off the drop port entry where rubber bush is not available, and he should have to place all the cable in the flexible hose, and also we need to fix the customer identification tag here. So once this is done, the engineer has completed the preventive maintenance activity inside the fat box on the drop cable. So next video we will see how the preventive maintenance activity is done, and after that we will check the physical hygiene of the fat box.